Welcome to Passage 4 in SAT Practice Test 1. Like all the passages we've done before, we do the same thing first. Basically, we read the blurb beforehand. We also read the first paragraph and we summarize. So no different from all the other passages we've done. So let's read the blurb. This passage is adapted from Virginia Woolf, Three Guineas, 1938. So this first part doesn't really help us. The last part does. Here, Woolf considers the situation of women in English society. This is a good, very general sentence in terms of what the passage is about. What's the purpose of the passage? What is the passage about? The passage is about Woolf considering the situation of women in English society. So that at least gives us a very broad, we probably have to get a little bit more into the specifics, but at least it gives us a broad foundation in terms of what the passage is about. Now we read the first paragraph. Close at hand is a bridge over the River Thames, an admirable vantage point or vantage ground for us to make a survey. The river flows beneath. Barges pass, laden with timber, bursting with corn. There on one side are the domes and spires of the city. On the other, Westminster and the House of Parliament. It is a place to stand on by the hour, dreaming. But not now. Now we are pressed for time. Now we are here to consider facts. Now we must fix our eyes upon the procession of the sons of educated men. So now we got to give just a summary, maybe 5 words or less. We don't want to, go crazy in terms of writing, but they're kind of on top of a bridge or over the bridge on the River Thames, and that's where they are, and it says we are. So I'm assuming that is, because it says the situation of women. So a group of women watching a procession. So watching procession. Basically, that's it. And then these details, where are they? On top of the bridge. And then who's in the procession? The procession of the sons of educated men. So maybe it's just a group of women watching a procession, or maybe people, we don't know yet. But I'm sure we're going to get more details as we read. But for now, just watching a procession. Now, problems number 32, 33, and 34 are more general questions. So we're going to skip those and do them last. We want to do the specific questions first. So our first specific question is problem number 35. According to the passage, Woolf chooses the setting of the bridge because and that's really in the first sentence. Close at hand is a bridge over the River Thames, an admirable vantage ground, because it has an admiral vantage ground. I'm just going to take word for word what it says in the text. So Woolf chooses the bridge because it has a good view. It has an admirable vantage ground to watch the procession. Now let's go to the answer choices, and like always, instead of picking the right answer choice, let's eliminate the wrong answer choices. So because it is conducive to a mood of fanciful reflection? No. Provides a good view of the procession of the sons of educated men. That's what we said, so let's keep that. C is within sight of historic episodes to which she alludes. Nope. D is symbolic of the legacy of past and present sons of educated men. No. See how it has the sons of educated men? This is a trap answer because you have sons of educated men here. But nowhere does it say it because it's symbolic of the legacy of the past. So we can get rid of that. So the correct answer is B. So I'll see you in the next video where we continue on for SAT Passage 4.